Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Indian chicken biryani, one of the most popular dishes on the planet as far as Indian food is. But how am I going to get the rice? Well, this biryani I'm going to make with the shirataki konjac noodles, which has been chopped up into rice bits. If you don't have these little rice bits, the konjac ones, then you can substitute the exact method as I show you, and like I put it right at the end, you can substitute it with cauliflower rice. So let's go to my kitchen, and as always, let's get cooking. And do subscribe to my channel. I'm new and I would love to grow. So thank you, and let's get cooking. So let's begin. Here are the things we'll need. 1 breast of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces and put into 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of onion puree, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, and 1 black cardamom. Now this is the slim rice I use, which is the konjac rice. You can even use cauliflower rice in place of it. And now these are the masalas that we need. Half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of chicken masala, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, and 2 to 3 fresh mint leaves. It's not in order, but these are the things you'll need. Sounds a lot. So let's begin with the cooking. So take your onions and put them in the oil that you are going to use. You can use ghee, you can use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, whatever of your preference. Just see that the onions don't get too brown. You just want to see that they become a bit translucent. Next, we'll add 1 bay leaf, the 2 cloves of garlic, and the 1 piece of black cardamom. For anyone who doesn't have these and this is not available, you can omit this leaf and the black cardamom and the cloves. It just adds to the flavor, but it's not going to not work if you don't use it. Okay, now that we've got the onions going and they've started to sweat a bit, it is time to put our 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. There's someone helping me with the cooking today and I'm doing the video. So that's also, this is the first time I'm doing that. Okay, now that we put in the tomato puree, it's time to, I'm just stirring it a bit more. And now we put in our garlic. And stir it around. It might sound like a lot of ingredients, but this is how chicken biryani is made. As well as you can turn this into a vegetable biryani in case you are vegetarian. Okay, so now this is where we put in the chicken pieces, which have been kept in some Greek yogurt, about 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and it's been kept for maybe half an hour before, so the chicken pieces become much softer and they cook better, and the flavor of the yogurt goes into the chicken pieces. So you start giving all this a good mix until the chicken begins to cook. Okay, so next we are putting in our masalas. In goes the salt. Obviously we need salt to taste. The red chili powder, half a teaspoon. The garam masala or the for half a teaspoon. The cumin powder, half a teaspoon. And if you get some chicken masala, that's wonderful, you can put that too. And some half a teaspoon of the coriander powder. And now give it all a good mix again. I will put the quantities and everything right at the beginning of the video, so if you want to take a print or you want to take a screenshot and save it, you can. Now I'm putting in some ginger, which has been thinly sliced, just like a teaspoon of thinly shredded ginger. And now in go the mint leaves. This konjac rice comes in a box. I'm going to put the picture up of the box, and it comes ready cooked, so it doesn't need much cooking time. So that's the last thing that will go in. And this comes out really tasty. I mean, you'll never miss chicken or vegetarian biryani ever again after eating this. I had it for dinner today. In goes the garam masala. For people that are out of this Asian side of the world, you can go to your Indian store and you'll get these masalas in little boxes. You just need half a teaspoon each, so you can keep it for making it quite a few times. And it's a wonderful dish. Now this is like half an onion that has been sliced really thin and fried in advance. This really gives that authentic look and taste to chicken biryani. At least I think so. It tastes absolutely yummy. So this is half an onion which has been thinly sliced and fried in oil till it's nice and crispy, and you keep that as a part of the prep. Okay, now I've put the lid on, and I'm allowing all the flavors to go into the meat, and I just had to take a little peek. And this doesn't take very long to cook. Literally you're waiting for your chicken pieces to cook, so all of 4-5 minutes. And now this is when I'm adding my 1 packet of slim rice, and because it's already cooked, it's wonderful. And this is the same time that you would put your cauliflower rice, which would have been cooked a little bit beforehand in the microwave, maybe for about 4-5 minutes in the microwave earlier, so that you can put it in entirely ready at this point. Give all this a good mix, and that's about it. You have chicken biryani to eat once again on the low carb and keto way of eating. It's really yummy. And if you can get these this slim rice, I'm just for decorative purposes, I'm adding a bit more of those fried onions on top and decorating it with 2 to 3 more pieces of fresh mint leaves. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Watch it when it gets put into this wonderful dish. I'm ready to eat this. This is going to be my dinner, and I'm not doing a taste test for this, but trust me, it needs no taste test whatsoever. It is absolutely, here I'm going to show it to you up close and personal. Look at that. Come on, what more can we ask for from chicken biryani? You can also make this with lamb or mutton or all sauteed vegetables. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. That's green mint chutney with it. Bye then.